equals your MacBook Air A1932 just won't turn on. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue usually happens when there's a fault in the logic board or battery. Our team inspects the device, diagnosing the faulty component before completing the necessary repairs to get your MacBook back to life. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.